Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Valorant if it won't open or launch. Let's get started. First, open the Riot client. Click your profile icon. Then click Settings. Select Valorant. Then click Repair. Wait for the repair to finish. Then try launching Valorant again. If the problem still isn't fixed, open Task Manager. And all Riot client, VALORANT, and Riot Vanguard processes. Now, open Windows Search. Search for Valorant. Right-click it. Then click Open File Location. Right-click the Valorant shortcut. Then click Open File Location again. Now click Riot Games in the address bar. Open the Valorant folder. Then open Live. Open Shooter Game. Then Binaries. Then Win64. Find Valorant Win64 shipping.exe. Right-click it. Then click Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Enable Disable Full-Screen Optimizations. Also enable Run this program as administrator. Then click Apply. And click OK. If Valorant still won't open, open Windows Search. Search for Services. Open it. Find VGC. Right-click it. Then click Properties. Set Startup Type to Automatic. If the service isn't running, click Start. Then click Apply. And click OK. Now, open Windows Search again. Search for msconfig. Open System Configuration. Go to the Services tab. Enable Hide all Microsoft services. Scroll down. Make sure VGC is checked. Then click Apply. And click OK. Restart your computer. Then try launching Valorant again. If the problem still isn't fixed, reinstall Riot Vanguard. Sometimes Vanguard files become corrupted or missing. Reinstalling Vanguard installs fresh files and can fix launch problems. Open Control Panel. Click Uninstall a program. Find Riot Vanguard. Right-click it. Then click Uninstall. After it's removed, open the Riot client. Launch Valorant. The Riot client will automatically download and install Riot Vanguard again. When the installation is complete, restart your computer. Then launch Valorant again. Hopefully your problem is now fixed. That's it. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.